Today we will show you the new PV-ISOTEST, the new insulation tester dedicated to PV application by HT instruments that will enable you to perform insulation measurement up to 1500 volts. The particularity of this insulation tester is that allows you to perform the test during normal operation of PV field. And the instrument will come with a set of cables with crocodiles, a set of MC4 to connect the instrument to PV panels and strings, a set of belts, and we have also this optical cable for connecting the instrument via top view for download the data to your PC. And last, all the technical documentation. We have this CD with top view software application, drivers, manuals, and also very important, the calibration certificates and all the paper manuals and short guide.